Welcome back. It's an exciting new week because we have something new and exciting on our homestead. We've got water. An actual pipe is carrying water to this property. So, what could we do with it?
Get up in the morning time, making biscuits. Get up in the middle of a new day, biscuits.
The mysterious Congo River, stretching through the heart of darkest Africa. Ah! No!
Bad bugs.
Ah! What if I just put them like that? They still go sideways!
Yeah, but then it's not so noticeable.
Back to the carving board.
Oh, mine's okay. Look, it's not so bad.
Skella and Charybdis are gonna get you.
That was
Mine is still in the lake! Oh.
No! Come on out.
No, I'm not coming out.
I'm not going to spray you. Come on. Come on. Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Come on, you chicken. Come on. Over here.
It's all gonna be okay.
Come on.
We're friends again.
Uh-huh.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Because I love you.
Thanks for joining us. I hope we gave you some good ideas on what you can do when you get water on your own homestead. Be sure to like and subscribe, and visit us on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.
I went to see David the Good. We listened to Portishead and drank spiced rum.
What a day for a daydream.